Hey guys, welcome back to Ron's Rides. I'm here in the new 2023 Maserati Grecale GT, the entry-level variant, and we want to hear how that exhaust note sounds out of the inline four-cylinder 2-liter engine. So this is your starting horsepower at 296 horses. So first, we will put our foot on the brake and then hit the start-stop button now on the steering wheel for the Grecale. We're all started up, as you guys can see, and then we want to go into our most aggressive driving mode, so we will twist this to the right and you will see sport show up there. Now let's give it some revs from the inside before we hit it on the outside.